Conversation 1. What's your favorite kind of food? Wow, this place is amazing! So many food trucks. Mexican, Italian, Thai. I don't even know where to start.
Right? I could eat everything here. But if I had my pick, I'd say Italian is my favorite. You can't go wrong with pizza and pasta. You can't go wrong? What does that mean? It means it's always a good choice. No matter what, pizza is always delicious. Aha, I see, but too much pizza makes my stomach angry.
You mean it upsets your stomach?
Yes, that. I like food that doesn't fight me later. I get it. What about you, Mia?
I love spicy food. The hotter, the better.
Oh no, my mouth cries when I eat spicy food. I feel like a dragon breathing fire.
Ha ha ha. Maybe you just need practice.
Or a fire extinguisher? What's a fire extinguisher?
It's the thing that stops fires. Sand means your mouth needs one.
Okay, I understand now.
Conversation 2.
So, how much pasta should I put in the pot?
It depends on how many people you're feeding.
Let's say 4.
Okay, so on the box, it says the serving size is 2 ounces.
So, 8 ounces?
Exactly. Or half of that box.
I never thought I'd have to do math while cooking.
Oh, sweetie, you're going to do a lot of math in the kitchen.
I might just end up ordering takeout then.
Ordering out is expensive, honey, and not very healthy. You need to take care of yourself.
I'm going away to college, Mom, not joining the army. Don't worry about me.
How can I not worry? You'll always be my baby.
Your baby is 17.
And somehow can't even cook pasta.
Well, fair enough. Cooking's like rocket science.
You know what? Your dad and I will always be here if you ever want to move back home.
I don't think I'll move back. At least, not for the first couple years.
Oh, okay.
But I might come home for dinner, though.
Well, if that's the case, I kind of hope you never learn how to cook. Conversation 3.
Now, you put a little bit of oil in the pan.
Like this?
Wow, that's way too much.
Too much? I think that's fine.
That's like 3 times what I usually use.
Oh, I thought using that much oil was normal.
Not even close. You should really cut back on the oil in your cooking.
If I do that, my skin will get less oily? I'm so sick of breaking out 3 times a month.
Probably, but you should change up your whole diet too. You've been eating way too much fast food.
I know. That's why I need you to teach me how to cook healthier.
That's what I'm trying to do.
But do we really need to buy those organic ingredients? They're pretty expensive.
To be frank, Julia, they're still cheaper than your skincare routines.
Conversation 4. You can make ice cream. Hey, Tim. What are you doing today?
Hi, Mom. I'm bored. Can we do something fun?
How about we make something in the kitchen?
Like what?
You can make ice cream.
Really? That sounds awesome. How do we do it?
It's easy. We just need some milk, sugar, and your favorite fruit.
Can we use strawberries?
Of course. Strawberries are perfect for this. First, we need to get all our ingredients and equipment. Let's see. We need a mixing bowl, a blender.
Can we eat it?
Not yet. We need to freeze it for a while.
Oh, okay. I can't wait to taste it.
It will be worth the wait, I promise. Conversation 5. Oh, honey, what are you up to?
I'm making flans for my school fundraiser.
That's awesome, sweetie. Do you need any help?
Thanks, Mum, but I got this. I watched a YouTube video. It's super easy.
Okay, so what are you doing with those eggs?
I'm cracking them. See? As easy as pie.
Oh no, you can't leave eggshells in the flan. Here, let me help you.
I can do it myself, Mum.
I know you can, but I don't want your customers getting sick.
Sick? From my flans?
If we don't make it right, yes, food poisoning is serious.
You're blowing things out of proportion.
Well, God forbid if it happened. Don't say I didn't warn you.
Fine. Help me, Mum.
What's the magic word, Luke?
Please.
Of course. First, let's take out all these eggshells. Flans should be soft, not crunchy. Conversation 6. Dad? Is that steak supposed to be that color?
Yep, that's what a well-done steak looks like, sweetie.
Well done? Dad, it looks like charcoal.
It's just a little burnt. Don't be so dramatic.
No, seriously, Dad, your grilling skills need work. Mia, be nice to your dad. He is doing his best.
Thanks, babe. How come my own daughter doesn't trust me?
Oh, I trust that if I eat that steak, I'll end up with a stomach ache.
You're being dramatic again.
Mom, please stop him before he ruins all the meat. Honey, if every steak turns out like your hair.
See? Your mom believes in me. My hair looks great, so these steaks must be too.
No, I meant your hair is pitch black. If you burn them all, we will have no choice but ordering pizzas. I'm calling the pizza place. Conversation 7. Eating home-cooked food is way healthier. Oh, I feel awful. I've been eating fast food all week.
No surprise there. Eating home-cooked food is way healthier.
Yeah, but cooking takes forever, and I'm always too tired after work.
I used to think the same, but it's really not that bad. I make quick meals at home.
You cook? That's shocking. You barely make your bed.
But I learned some easy recipes, and now I actually enjoy it.
Like what? Instant noodles don't count.
Nope, I make stir-fried veggies, grilled chicken, even homemade pasta.
Okay, that does sound good. But I don't even know where to start.
Start small. Scrambled eggs, sandwiches, simple salads. You'll get the hang of it.
Maybe I should give it a shot. But what if I mess up?
That's part of the fun. Some of my first meals were disasters.
Oh, so you weren't born a chef. Shocking.
Very funny. But seriously, your body will thank you. Less greasy food, more energy.
All right. I'll try cooking this weekend. But if my kitchen catches fire, it's your fault.
Deal. Just don't burn the house down.
Conversation 8. Let him cook. Dad, guess what? Peter wants to try skateboarding.
Skateboarding, huh? That's exciting. It sounds like a fun activity for him.
But Dad, isn't that kind of dangerous? What if he falls and gets hurt?
I get what you're saying, Anna, but Peter's pretty determined. He'll be careful, and it's important to let him try new things. Let him cook.
Wait, what? Peter is going to cook dinner tonight?
No, Mom, not literally. Dad means let him try the new sport, like let him handle it.
Oh, I thought you meant Peter was actually going to cook dinner. I was surprised because I didn't know he was into cooking.
No, Mom, Peter isn't cooking dinner. He just wants to try skateboarding, and Dad meant to let him try it out.
I see. So Peter is just trying skateboarding, not cooking. I was so confused when I heard let him cook. I was about to say, are we ready for that? I didn't know he was taking cooking classes.
Maybe not yet. But who knows? After skateboarding, cooking could be his next big adventure.
I can just imagine him trying to make pasta while balancing on a skateboard.